Halle Berry looked drop-dead gorgeous when she showed off her toned legs in a plunging black mini dress at the premiere of Moonfall in LA on January 31st. If there's one thing for sure about Halle Berry, 55, it is that she always looks fabulous, and that's exactly what she did on the red carpet at the LA premiere of her new film, Moonfall, on January 31st. Halle looked gorgeous when she wore a plunging V-neck black mini dress at the TCL Chinese Theatre in Hollywood. Halle's black mini featured a low-cut neckline that ended all the way at her waist and massive ruffled sleeves. The sides of the frock were cut out, revealing some skin, while the hem was super short, putting her toned legs on full display. She accessorized her look with layered diamond necklaces on her décolletage and a pair of silver and black slip-on heeled mules. As for her glam, she threw her light brown highlighted hair into a voluminous bun, leaving a few wavy pieces out in front to frame her face. A shiny nude lip and a brown, sultry smoky eye tied her look together. Related gallery. Stars in plunging dresses, photos of Halle Berry and more. Halle has been on a roll lately when it comes to sexy outfits, and just the other day she was the special guest on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon when she looked fabulous in a completely sheer, plunging black blouse. Halle's shirt had see-through long sleeves and a low-cut V neckline that revealed ample cleavage. She accessorized her top with layered gold necklaces and had her light brown hair down and parted in the middle in effortless beach waves. Halle topped her look off with a sultry smoky eye and a glossy nude lip.